Hey guys, this is Steve with the Scroll Saw Workshop. I want to show you a little tool I put together here. It measures the length of anything you need to get a rough estimate, or actually even a fairly accurate estimate of its length or its width. This little circle right here, this dial, has a circumference of 5 inches. You can see we've got lines cut in all the way around the circle, and with the starting point marked with a 1/8 inch hole. So when you get ready to measure, you put the starting line on where you want to start the measurement, you roll it along, and every time that comes back down, that's 5 inches. Now the way you get this accurate is when you cut this out of the pattern, cut outside of the pattern line, take the disc over to your disc sander, sand down to the line, come over, do a calibration check. If it's still too big, take it back and sand it over. You don't want to get it too small. You can't put wood back on. So if you get it too small, just make another one. It's going to take you like 30 seconds to cut another one out, so it's not a big deal. Be very careful. Take it over to the disc sander. Just take the smallest amount off you can. Come back over, do another calibration check, and see where you're at. And as you can see, you can get pretty accurate. Now, you know, you have a tendency to want to do a little bit of this, and that obviously adds length. So it's not going to be perfect, but we don't always need perfect when we're just making an estimate of what we're trying to measure. And you can see, as long as I'm fairly careful, I'm very accurate. That way you can take a board or whatever you have handy, put the line right on the edge, roll it along as straight as you can. That was 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're right at 9 inches. And when we take our ruler and measure that, you can see that we are right at just slightly under 9 inches. Whoops, right about there, right at 9 inches. So handy little tool, very light. Can be very accurate if you calibrate it accurately, and it's kind of handy to keep in your pocket. I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being with me at the Scroll Saw Workshop. Catch you next time.